everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. On the screen are today's shoutouts. Thank you guys so much for your comments and your support. If you also want a shoutout, all you have to do is subscribe, turn notifications on, and comment down below #ChillificationSquad once you've done that. In today's video, we'll be making the iconic TikTok cloud bread. On the screen, there's a clip of what the cloud bread looks like. It looks super fluffy, soft, and delicious, and just like cotton candy. The first ingredient that we need is 3 egg whites, so I'm gonna crack the eggs and separate the yolks. I'll see you guys once all the egg whites are in here. Now I need to whisk the egg whites together until it becomes bubbly. This is what makes the cloud bread nice and fluffy, so I'm just gonna whisk it up. So here is how the mixture looks once it's whisked up. There are some bubbles. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add in 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. And I'm gonna mix this up until the sugar is fully incorporated. So now I mixed in the sugar into the egg whites. And now I need to add in about 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. And now I'm just gonna mix this up. Okay, so this is getting pretty fluffy, and it kind of looks like pancake mix. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue whisking this until it gets fluffy, I guess. Now to give the cloud bread a nice flavor, we're gonna go ahead and add in some vanilla extract. Okay, I think that's enough. Now I'm gonna mix it in. Now for the fun part, we're gonna color the cloud bread yellow. So now that the yellow food coloring is in there, that's it for all the ingredients. So all that there's left to do is whisk it up. Also, this yellow color looks super nice, and it looks really cool. And also, this smells super delicious. It smells like vanilla, and I have high hopes for this. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep whisking it until it's nice and fluffy. R.I.P. to my arm. And also, I probably should have used an electric mixer.
3 hours later.
So after a lot of whisking, my arm was still tired, and the batter wasn't fluffy enough. So we're switching over to an electric mixer. And by the way, when we let the batter sit for a while, it also thickened up a bit. I was already mixing it up for a while, and look how fluffy it got. The color did lighten down a lot, so now it's barely yellow, which is kind of disappointing. It looks super creamy and smooth, and it kind of looks like fluffy cake batter. It was pretty disappointing that the color lightened down a lot when it became fluffier, so we're gonna go ahead and add in some more yellow food coloring. So I definitely recommend using an electric mixer. It is much easier that way. Gosh, you guys, I think I finished, and look how fluffy it looks. Literally, the mixture will not move whatsoever. This is super cool. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how fluffy this looks. It looks like whipped cream. Here, I'm skipping it out. Okay, so here I put in all the dough, and not gonna lie, this literally looks like a super fluffy omelet. So now what I'm gonna do is shape it into a ball, because right now it just looks like a mess. Okay, so now that I shaped the batter into a ball, kind of, we're gonna go ahead and add on some sprinkles for some fun decoration. Oh, that looks so pretty. Okay, so now the cloud bread is all complete. And also, I just want to say, originally when I saw this recipe, I thought that it was a cake, but I guess it's bread for some reason. Okay, so now we're gonna put this in the oven. Put it in the oven, and I put it in for 300 degrees for 25 minutes. Yeah, I'll see you guys once the cloud bread is ready. It's been 25 minutes, so I think the cloud bread should be ready. So I'm gonna take it out. Oh my gosh, you guys, it looks so fluffy, and it literally just looks beautiful. I really want to try this. It looks absolutely delicious, but I'm not sure if it's ready. It smells so delicious. Kind of smells like vanilla. Okay, so I'm testing with a toothpick. I think it's ready. So we're just gonna let it cool down, and then we're gonna try it. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So now for the ultimate taste test. Cloud bread is all cooled down, and it looks really nice. So now we're gonna try it. I'm just gonna break a piece off. Oh my gosh. It looks like cotton candy. Okay, so now I'm gonna try it. It tastes good. I can kind of taste the eggs, but it kind of tastes like a meringue. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut it with a spoon. It kind of looks like a sponge inside. It looks super nice. Final thoughts on this cake are that it's pretty good, but it kind of tastes like eggs with sugar and some vanilla in it. The sprinkles make it a little bit better, But honestly, it doesn't taste good. Yeah, I don't really recommend making this. It kind of takes a lot of time, and it's not really worth it. The only thing about it is that it looks cool, kind of like a sponge, and it's super fluffy. But that's it. I don't recommend making this. I definitely don't think this is like a bread. I definitely think this is like a cake. It kind of looks like scrambled eggs. It looks like omelet. So overall, I think I'd rate this probably like a 4 out of 10. So yeah, guys, that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And it'd be super duper awesome if you'd subscribe. So I would not recommend making the cake or the cloud bread because I think it's just a waste of time and it doesn't even taste good. If you really want to try it, go for it, but I definitely not recommend making it. So yeah, see you guys in my next video.